In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated message within DeansList. The rule is that in order to send up an automated message, you have to send it from a list. So if you go to reports and data, you will see that we have these lists here. So the way I worked around this was just by setting up, if we go to an admin and we go to lists and consequences, I have some lists in here that are just the roster that I created. Because these rosters are lists, then I can send an automated message. So how do I do that? First, going back to the home page, I need to go to record student data, and I have to save the message that I want to send. So send a message, and I'm gonna go, this is a sample. And then I wanna save message. It's important that you have a message because you have to tag the message to send out. So next, now that I have the message that I want to send, now I can go to and create my list. So I go to consequences and lists. I'm gonna click on new list here. I'm gonna name my list. You name it whatever you want. And then here I get to determine what type of list it is. Is it a daily list? Does it go out every single day? Is it a term list, which is mostly just a week list? Or is it an accumulation list? This is like as students snowball or as they gain things, so as they gain absences, you can add them to this list. For the purposes of sending reminders, you want a daily list and then create list. So here, this always stays the same. I think the biggest thing here is just whether or not you want it to show under reports and data. If you're setting up automated messages, you want to click no here, because if you don't, when teachers go into their reports and data, they'll just have list on list on list, and it's too much for them. So you just want to click no here for show, and then save changes. Now I'm gonna go to list steps. So here, when I go to list steps, the first step is going to be to add the students, and I want to add the students who are on a roster. Now, it's weird because you have to click add step before you can select the roster. Now, I can go back and select the roster. I want this to be a reminder for Ms. Ray's class, and so then I would click Save Changes. From here, I would go to Workflow. When I get to workflow, I want to add a new workflow. I'm going to click down to send message and text messages to families. I'm now going to click that sample message, create workflow. Once I'm here, I can add the schedule. I want this to go out Monday through Friday. I want it to be a 10-minute warning before class starts. So I want it to go at 8:20, and I will submit it. And that's it. Now this will start sending automated messages. Now, a trick is I'm gonna go here, back to the general settings really quickly, just to show you. The first time you do this, you might wanna leave the list on, because the way you can check to make sure that you have the right kids on the list is I can go to reports and data. Now I can see here, it says this is a sample. And I see all the kids in Ms. Ray's class automatically appear on this list. So they will get the automated message. Here at Cox, we have a ton of rosters that I have built. So we have 245 rosters actually for every small thing in the school. So if you need some support or want to know how to build rosters, I can show you how to do that.